Hello lovely people, you all are once again most welcome to Tutorials Point. Today's video, let me tell you, as I'm sure you've just read the title, is going to be very special. Of course, because this topic is actually very different, something which I have never ever made a video on, and today's video is really special, or even more special, and I'm sure it is the same for all of you. It is something that all of you definitely might be feeling at this point in time, considering that you have read the title already, because our moms are like the world, the universe for us. I don't think there is any person more important in our life than our mother. So this video primarily, because I decided to take up this topic, I primarily want to dedicate it to my mother and to all the mothers in the world who are just so lovely, and they are just uncomparable, and they are such a blessing to all of our lives, aren't they? Well then, what are we waiting for? Let us go ahead and learn about quotes to express our love for our mother. Do you really think it is important, or do you really think just when the Mother's Day is around the corner is when we should be writing quotes on greeting cards or gifts? Well, not really. If you really want to make your mom feel very special, well, treat every day as Mother's Day. Believe me, it works wonders, and I'm sure she would just love it. Well then, let's go ahead and learn how do we actually make every day so special for our mom with some quotes. These quotes especially will actually help you a lot to express your love for your mom. Okay, the first one. Well, you are free to choose any of these. There are 5 of these which I'm going to discuss with you. You are free to choose whichever you wish to, but this is the first one. And if you really feel that last time when you had fever, or last time when you weren't feeling well, it was only because of the hug which you got from your mom that you recovered and not the meds, well then definitely use this one. The best medicine in the world is a mother's hug. Well, wow. What a divine feeling. And definitely that hug from your mom engulfs the entire universe. It just completes you, even for a fraction of a second. It just completes you. Isn't it so amazing? So well then, if you feel that yes, this is what appropriately fits your your love for your mom, or if you feel that these are the exact words which can help you to express your love for your mom, well then use this quote. And don't wait for the Mother's Day. Please believe me, don't wait for your wait for all that celebration on Mother's Day to make your mom feel special. Do it every day. It is amazing. Okay, well, the next one. Dear mom, you can be my friend, sister, teacher and counselor, but none of them can be you. Well, very true. Is there even a modicum of doubt about it that no one can in this world replace your mom? So, the words of our mother are like, they are just uncomparable. Your mother could actually sometimes play a role of your friend. Sometimes she could be a sister. Sometimes she could be a teacher, counselor. But none of them, believe me, none of them can behave like your mom. None of them, even for a fraction of a second, play the role of your mom, or none of them can ever even sort of express those feelings the way your mom does, or none of them can even radiate that unspoken love the way your mom can, isn't it? Don't you agree to it? Well, I'm sure you do. So if this is what sort of fits your feelings, use this. Very effective, very amazing. Okay, well, of all the gifts that life has to offer, a loving mother is the greatest of them all. Isn't that true? Isn't your mom your greatest gift? Well, yes, I'm sure. Yes, my mom is my greatest gift, and I can just vouch for it, and I'm sure even you guys will agree to it, that there is no bigger blessing than to have your mother, around you. I mean, every time, throughout every second of your life. So, having a mom is the greatest feeling. And if that is what you want to express to her, just write this one. Okay, God could not be everywhere, so she created mom. Well, yes, that is again right. Don't we all, whenever there is any issue that we face, or whenever we are just sometimes really messed up, really irritated, sometimes really frustrated, what is the first word that comes from mom? Oh God, isn't that? So isn't that so very related to mom? So obviously, because God could not be everywhere, which is why God created mom. And for everything else, we have our mother. I mean, we could just go ahead and find a niche, in her heart for everything, for expressing every feeling, be it frustration, be it happiness, be it nervousness, be it anxiety, be it anything. I mean, for everything, mom has a solution, isn't it? So yes, this is yet another amazing phrase which you could use to express your love to your mother. Okay, the last but not the least, this is the fifth quote which I'm going to share with you all, and I'm sure any one of these, definitely at least one of these is going to be very, very helpful for you to express your love for your mother. And definitely, I'm sure you are not going to wait for Mother's Day for that to happen, to express your love. Okay. A mother is she who can take the place of all others, but whose place no one else can take. Well, yes. Is there any doubt about it? Can anyone ever even think of replacing your mother? Well, no. That is not possible. And it's the law of nature. No one can love you like your mother. No one can do that, right? So if this is how you feel, this resonates with what you feel for your mom, well then use this one. It also is going to make her feel very special. It also will help you a lot to express your love to your mother. And life is going to become a bunch of roses the day you start expressing your love to your mother, the day you start, the day we start not taking her for granted. Life is actually going to become a blessing, because we usually tend to take our moms for granted because for everything she's there. So life is like, okay, life is so sorted out. Well, so we just actually want to stop doing that and start expressing our love, so that life becomes a bunch of roses every second. Well, I'm sure these quotes are going to be very, very helpful for you all. I will see you again in the next video with yet another amazing and interesting topic. Till that time, keep learning with Tutorials Point and Tutorix. Have a good day.